Good morning, everybody. I'm here to share with you guys what I get in my inserts. My inserts are always lame and I want to share with you guys because I can. So here is the Smart Source. They got some Claritin on the top. Kingsford meat barbecue. So husband's excited to try that. Fuji. Here we got some Dole. 50 cents off of Colgate. $1 off of pistachios. Here we got Nabisco crackers, 75 cents off of 2. I'm really excited for these coupons. We got Kotex, $3 off of 2. Baby Stuff, 55 cents off products. Eucerin, $2. Simply Dinners. Here we got the Dole Dippers. Now it looks like my coupons got cut off, as you guys can see. Oh, actually no, there's the barcode, so never mind. I thought I was not seeing the barcode. $4 off Claritin, $2 off, $1 off. Here we got Glade coupons, $1.50, $1.50, and $3. Here's a nice picture, of some Scott's paper towel, or Scott's. Yeah, Scott's paper towels, toilet paper, Cottonelle. So we got some deals with that. My hands are so dry. Ball. So you guys might be able to get some kind of stuff with those. I'm not sure. And then we got Rubbermaid. Butterball. 50 cents off of bacon. $1 off of 2 cheeses. Here we got Ambassador products. Never heard of. Dollar General. Dollar General. Harbor Freight. More useless ads. And that is it. And then we got $2 off of Smarty Pants, which I've never seen before. So that was in my Smart Source. I know, very exciting. Here's what's in my Retail Me Not. So here we got $3 off number 7. Dean's Ice Cream, Hellman's, $2 off of lotion. I really love this coupon. Some medication stuff. Yeah. And that is it. That's how lame my inserts are. So just wanted to share with you guys what I get and the reason why I order coupons. And I am working on a video of where I order my coupons from. I will be posting that sometime between now and when I go on vacation. I'm just might be posting a ton of videos while I'm on vacation, so you guys don't forget about me. So yeah, I will see you guys all later, and thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.